to my new video. So guys, in my previous video I have already shown you the basics of power automation. So on that I have already described about desktop flow, cloud flow, attended, unattended. But now I am going to explain it practically. Okay. So what is desktop flow? How to create desktop flow, how to create cloud flow, how to run it attended, how to run it unattended. So let's start from desktop flow. So desktop flow, you can see this is desktop flow. Power automation desktop flow. I have already shown you how to install, how to download, how to install everything. Correct? So now what I need to do, I am going to create new flow. So let me create new flow. Click here. This window will appear. Test 1. Sorry. You can see test 1 flow is created and it will open automatically for editing. Sorry. Flow is opened, you can see. And now what I need to do, we have different type of actions are available. So I will describe all the actions in my next video. Today I am going to explain this one. So what I need to do, for now I am just going to do display message. Display message activity and I will use it here. You can write anything here, testing, testing. And I am going to enable keep message box always on top. Correct? Save it. Go to Cloudflow. Click here, new flow, instant Cloudflow. You can write anything, test 1, anything, any name you can provide. Click here, manually trigger the flow, trigger a flow. Sorry. So this is blank. This is blank for now. Click on next step. Run a desktop. Correct. So what I am doing, I am creating a cloud flow from where I will trigger desktop flow. I can run it manually as well. Let me run it manually first. You can see. I can run it manually as well, but when we have large number of data processing, so manual execution will take lot of time. So for that we used Cloudflow. So Cloudflow, from the Cloudflow it will take 1 by 4 times less times to execute. So run a desktop flow. I will use run a flow built with Power Automate for desktop. Let me select desktop flow from here. You can see we have two desktop flows are showing. You can see test and test one. So I'm just picking test one, select test one, and for now I am running in attended. So you can see attended means when runs when you are signed in. Unattended runs on a machine that is signed out. So let me run it attended for now. I'm going to save it and select manually test and continue. Run the flow. So you can see desktop flow is ran from cloud. So testing pop-up displayed. It's completed and you can check status as well from here. It is updated text succeeded. Now I am going to explain about unattended. So for running it unattended, what you need to do, you need to create new flow, scheduled cloud flow. Scheduled cloud flow means you can provide timing on that. Just like you can see, let me show you RRR. Anything. You can see test 2, test 2. So we can provide we can provide date and time for that. Repeat 12 month, 12 month, and you can run it. Suppose this time 809. So which time you want to run it? You can select any time from here and then just like 1:45 a.m. I'm just selecting PM 8:15 p.m. Correct? And same thing you can see here. Click on advanced option, hide advanced options. Time is showing here and same process you need to follow. Run a desktop run a flow built with Power Automate for desktop. Correct? You can select test one from here. You can select test one from here. Select unattended and save it. Then what you need to do, you need to click on start, click here username and click on signed out. So 8:15 p.m. it will run automatically when you can see it's clearly showing runs on a machine that sign out. If you will sign out, then it will run automatically at 8:15. Correct? So I think you understood the instant cloud flow, scheduled cloud flow, and one more thing, automated cloud flow. So automated cloud flow is nothing. This flow is used. Suppose you can provide anything. Test 3, test 3 here, and you can check. Suppose you are sending any mail. I am just showing you mail. So when you will send any mail, just like create this. Correct? So we should have Office 365 Outlook account for that, and then you can provide mail subject there. and if that mail will arrive in your account, then it will check that subject, and if that subject matches, then this flow will run. So that is the automated cloud flow, scheduled cloud flow, instant cloud flow. I think all are clear. If you have any question, you can comment on my video and I will provide all answers to you. Comment there, correct? After that, desktop flow we got. Later in my next video, I will show all the actions, and I think we have everything covered: desktop flow, cloud flow, attended, unattended. So thanks for watching. If you forgot to subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for watching my upcoming videos.